Hello, lovely learners. Today we are going to solve a problem. A number is to be written in each circle of the figure shown between any two adjacent circles. The sum of numbers in those two circles is given. What number must be written in the place of the question mark? Here you can see a question mark is there, and you can see all other sums are given. A and B sum is 8, B's and C sum is 9, and the sum of C and D is 13. But sum of A and D is not given, it is a question mark over here. We have to reach the solution of A and D, the sum of A and D. Let's see what is given over here. The sum of A and D, B is given. The sum of A and B is 8. And the sum of B and C is equal to 9. Sum of C and D is equal to 13. And sum of A and D is question mark. Now we have to solve this system of equations by eliminating. As you know, you can see over here, we need to find out the sum of A and D. It means the value of A and D, we should eliminate A, B and C from here. For eliminating B and C, we have to solve these equations one by one. You can see it is equation, we can label it as A, we can label it as B, we can label it as C, and we can label it as D. Here you can see from A and B, we can eliminate B from here, small b. How can we eliminate B from these both equations? You can see B is positive in both. Means for elimination of B from these both, we should subtract these both equations. Means we can write over here equation A minus equation B. Equation A is A plus B minus equation B is B plus C. So this minus will change the symbol of the C and it will become minus C is equal to 8 minus 9. Now here you can see B will be cancelled out and we will be left with A minus C is equal to minus 1. And we can label it as equation E. So our concern with equation A and B is over. Now we are concerned for the value of this A plus D. So for that, you can see we have C plus D and we have A plus C. So we can simplify these. You can see which letter is not required here. C is not required here. And you can see both, one is positive and the other is negative. So when in simultaneous equations, when some variables has already opposite symbols, we used to add those equations to eliminate that specific letter or variable. Now you can see it is C plus D, and here before we should write C, we are going to add these both equations. So equation C is C plus D is equal to 13. So I will write the sum of the left hand sides of equation C and E on the left hand side here, and the sum of right hand sides on the right hand side. The right hand side of the equation C is 13 and the right hand side of the equation E is minus 1. So I will write here 13 minus 1. Now here you can see that both C's are having the opposite symbols. So these both will give us 0, or we can say these are cancelled out. Now we are left with d plus a is equal to 13 minus 1. Now we can simplify these both. I can write it as a plus d in arranged form, and it is equal to 12. And here you can see it is the sum of a and d, which is 12, and we are searching for the sum of a plus d in this problem. So it is equal to 12. There is another shortcut way method to find out the sum of a and d. Here you can see that a plus b is equal to 8 and c plus d is equal to 13. It means the sum of four numbers, the sum of two numbers is this and sum of two numbers is this. It means sum of four numbers is there, and which is 21, and it is the sum of 8 and 13. Similarly, we can say that the sum of 9 and the question mark is 21 as well. Therefore, you can see the question mark from here will also give us as 12, and you will find out the difference of 21 and 9, you will get 12. So it is a shortcut method, but if you are very, your thinking mental math or your thinking capability is very high, then you can simplify it as well. Otherwise, there is another alternate way to reach out the solution of such type of problems by using the system of by developing a system of equations, and we will reach at the solution or required solution. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe and like this video to